Great piece. Got a lot of attention this morning. You talk about its share of the options market, its share of hedge fund trading, retail fascination. What of those metrics do you think is the most interesting?
I think it's hard to look past the options side. I mean, Tesla is obviously a huge company, very successful company, and its share price has gone through the roof. But what is really unprecedented about it is just the scale and the activity in the options, Tesla options. We're talking $240 billion worth of nominal options trading a day. That is twice as much as there's Amazon and almost twice as much as the rest of the S&P 500 complex combined. So it's just staggering, right? There have been days when more Tesla options have traded than everything else combined. And that's unprecedented.
Why do you think this is? Is it, say, something about sentiment overall? Is it about this giant turn that we're making in one of the biggest industries in the world? Is it about his cult of personality as the richest man in the world?
All of the above, basically, right? I think Tesla is unique in how it's captured the zeitgeist of innovation at a time when technological change is so rapid, right? And we can see that electric vehicles are going to be a far broader part of the future. People then extrapolate into thinking that Elon Musk is going to solve all sorts of problems and revolutionize all sorts of industries. And when that hype, and that's been building for years and years, combines with an incredible retail trading environment like we've seen over the past 18 months and a resurgence of options trading, you kind of have a perfect storm. You have a great meme stock, basically, the mother of all meme stocks, combined with a once-a-century options trading environment. And what you get is, you know, a mega cap like Tesla adding $400 billion of market cap for almost $500 billion in a year. And that's just staggering.
Yeah, but Robin, here's the problem. Elon Musk himself has been critical of the rise in Tesla's stock price. He reiterated that as recently as the Code Conference just back in September. Also, you've got options that are making the entire market a lot more volatile, and we've seen the impact of that in trading of Zoom and other stocks today. And then you've got Musk himself, who in the past has been unpredictable. How much of a market risk is Tesla and Elon Musk right now?
Hard to say. I think it's fair, and this is sort of my central thesis with this Tesla financial complex, is that what happens in Tesla doesn't stay in Tesla. It is just so big now and has such a huge options market and associated structured products that reference Tesla. Lots of hedge funds are long or short. All fund managers basically get whipsawed depending on what kind of weighting they have in Tesla. That's just not something we can ignore anymore. Now, whether it's a market risk, I mean, what people call a systemic risk, that's what I'm not so certain about. But I do think that although, you know, Tesla dropping 10, 20% isn't all a disaster. We saw that after Musk, you know, started selling down his shares and after the result of some of these tweets. That didn't ripple that much further. But that just took Tesla back to where it was in October, right? I mean, Tesla could basically drop 50% in value and still be one of the most richly valued companies in the world. And that's just staggering. And I think the ripple effects from that are probably unappreciated, right? Because clearly some people are going to lose money. That always happens. But there is all these other interlinkages. And some fund managers will look like geniuses as a result, and other people are going to look like duds.
Yeah,
so
when you talk about those
never
ripple
have a
effects,
situation
though,
like this.